Which of the following statements are sufficient to answer the question? Now from the options you can understand that this is a data sufficiency question, right? Like option 1 says statement 1 alone sufficient to answer the question, and statement 2 alone is not sufficient to answer the question. And then question also clearly says which of the following statements are sufficient. So a sufficiency question here. Now what is this question here? Is S the mother of M? Is S the mother of M? Remember, this is a very important type of question in data sufficiency. What is different about this? The question starts with is. I have also mentioned this in the video, data sufficiency video, that whenever the question starts with is, was, with like is, was, that answer will be either yes or no. These are like true or false questions. Like, do you have your exam tomorrow? It's either answer is yes or no, right? I mean, of course, you can say that I have my exam on 16th of October, but then is S the mother of M? What will be the answer? Yes, S is the mother of M. No, S is not the mother of M. We are not worried about what actually the relationship is. Is S the father-in-law of M, or is S the granddaughter of M? We don't care about that. For this question, when you say is S the mother of M, you should either say yes or you should say no. And remember, no also is a correct answer. Even if we say no is the answer, it is correct. Like for example, if somebody says, did you attend the class? You will say no. I did not attend the class. Is that a wrong answer? Even that's a correct answer, right? You did not attend, so you're saying no. So the point is, remember that no also is a correct answer in such cases. I mean, it can be false. The statement can be false. Many a times what happens, with most of the students, is that they get the answer as no using the given statements and say that neither one nor two is sufficient. But understand, you getting the answer no shows that you have got the answer. So, which means you have got the answer. So you cannot say neither one nor statement 2 is sufficient. Alright, let us solve this. That will give you more clarity. So is S the mother of M? Statement 1, M is the sister of Q. So according to statement 1, M is the sister of Q. M is the sister of Q. So female clearly, and sister of Q. Q is the sister of R. Q is the sister of R. So Q is also female sister of R. And R is the daughter of S. R is the daughter of S. Remember, M is sister of Q, Q is sister of R is daughter of S. So clearly M, Q, R, all three are siblings, and all of them are females, right? Sister, sister, daughter. So all three are sisters, right? M, Q, R, all are sisters, siblings, and they are daughter of S. Now a question here is S the father or mother? See, R is the daughter of S, means M is also the daughter of S. Yes or no? All three of them belong to the same parent, but then M is the daughter of S. Is S the mother of M? Not clear. It depends on the gender of S, right? Gender of S is not known to us. S can be male or female, both are possible. So the point is, from statement 1, we are not able to answer this question. Look at this diagram and tell me, is S the mother of M? I don't know. S can be the mother of M or S can be the father of M. Can you say yes or no for this one? Can you give the answer as yes or no? Look at this. Is S the mother of M? Can you say yes? No. Because if you say yes, you are saying that S is female, which we don't know. Is S the mother of M? Can you say no? How do you say no? Because if you say no, you are trying to say that S is the father. But do you know that S is the father? No. So basically, because of the gender of S being not available here, we cannot answer the question using statement 1 alone. So statement 1 alone is not sufficient. Look at statement 2. Statement 2 says M is the daughter of L. M is the daughter of L. L. Who is the sister of V? M is the daughter of L. Who is the sister of V? Who is sister of V means what? L is the sister of V. Now if you look at statement 2, M is the daughter of L and L is the sister of V. Now there is no there is no mention of S at all. In statement 2, there is no mention of S at all, right? Is anything given about S here? No, nothing is given about S. So is S the mother of M? We don't know. Statement 2 is insufficient. So even statement 2 alone is not sufficient. So 1 alone is not sufficient, 2 alone is not sufficient. And you very well know that when the statements independently fail to give the answer, we go for combination. Now try to combine the statements. If you combine the statements, what happens? See, from statement 1 we know that M is the daughter of S. From statement 2 we know that M is the daughter of L. So clearly S and L are husband and wife. Yes or no? Statement 1 says M is the daughter of S. Statement 2 says M is the daughter of L. So S and L have to be married. And we now also know that L is female. If L is female, obviously S would be male. So in the earlier case where the gender of S was not known to us, we were worried about the gender of S. Now it's very clear. Because S and L are married to each other and L is female, S has to be a male person. So by combining the two statements, what do we get to know? Look at this part now. The question is S the mother of M? Is S the mother of M? No. We are able to say no. Yes or no? How are we able to say no? Because we know that S is the father of M. Yes or no? Is S the mother of M? You will say no. Why are you saying no? Because you have got to know that S is the father of M. How did you get to know that S is the father of M? Using the two statements together. Which means you are able to give the answer as no for this question using both the statements together. And hence you should say both the statements 1 and 2 together are sufficient to answer the question. Are you able to follow? No can be a correct answer. Remember, overall, is S the mother of M? You will say no. Now because it is no, don't mark neither 1 nor 2 is sufficient. I mean, that's a fact. S is not the mother of M. What is your fault in that? S is not the mother of M. So which means you are able to answer this question. And hence you should mark the answer as option 5. Both 1 and 2 together are sufficient to answer the question. Is that clear to all of you? I think still Vandana and Arshdeep have mentioned the answer as option 4. Answer is not option 4. Answer is option 5. Saurabh Singh says, but sir, statement 2 alone is sufficient. How is statement 2 alone sufficient, Saurabh? Tell me, how do you say statement 2 is sufficient? From statement 2, I don't know anything about S. What I only know that M is the daughter of L, L is the sister of V. The question is saying, is S the mother of M? My answer will be, I don't know. From the given data, I don't know is S the mother of M or not. So you would say, because L is the mother of M, S is not the mother of M. Okay, hold on. I think he has got a point. Is S the mother of M? Okay, so Saurabh, you have got a point. Hold on. Hold on, guys. I think it should not be option 5. Look at it once again. Is S the mother of M? Here we know that L is the mother of M. So is S the mother of M? No. I think yes. Statement 2 alone is sufficient. Okay. So thank you for pointing that out. Sorry, I think even I've got it wrong. Answer should be option 2. Statement 2 alone is sufficient. Yeah. Statement 2 alone is sufficient. Why is statement 2 alone sufficient? Okay, I was looking at S not being available, but the point is because, I mean, let us forget about the connection now. From statement 2, we know that L is the mother of M. So is S the mother of M? No, because L is the mother of M. So I think statement 2 alone is sufficient. Good. So answer should be option 2.